What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the Nokia 8. So let me tell you a few of the specifications of both the devices. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is having 6 GB of RAM and it is running on Exynos 9810, while the Nokia 8 is having 4 GB of RAM and it is running on Snapdragon 835. Nokia 8 was one of the best flagship devices of last year, so we are here to compare both of these devices, and we have the same set of applications in both the devices. And in the first round we will be doing a speed test comparison between both the devices, and in the second round we will be having a look at the RAM management of both the devices. And you can see right now we have the same set of applications, and let's start our speed test right away. And you can see there is no app running in the background, and let's start the stopwatch in both the devices and right away start our speed test. And we have just started the first round, and in this round we will be opening the same set of applications, and right now both the devices are going just head to head. Actually, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has taken the lead. It is moving a bit quicker than Nokia 8. I have already posted the speed test of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus with the iPhone X and the Note 8, and it has lost those speed tests. And right now we are comparing it with the Nokia 8, and Nokia 8 is actually taken a lead here. It is on to the lap sit, and we are here to retrieve a clip of 10 seconds, which is the same clip in both the devices. And let's see which device retrieves this clip faster. And both the devices have almost opened it at the same time. And now we are on to the Amazon, and Amazon was opened a bit quicker on the Nokia 8, and we are on to the Temple Run 2 on both the devices. And let's see which device takes the lead here. And Nokia 8 has opened it faster, and we are opening the color switch on the Nokia 8. The S9 Plus has also opened the Temple Run 2, and it is on to the color switch, and we have opened the pinout on the Nokia 8, and we are onto the final application, the Asphalt 8 on the Nokia 8. And the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has also opened the pinout, and we are opening the final application on this device too. And let's see the time taken by the Nokia 8, and it has completed the first round in 1 minute and 30 seconds. And so let's start the second round of RAM management in the Nokia 8, and the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has taken a time of 1 minute and 31 seconds. That's not a huge difference. Now we are going for the RAM management test for both the devices, and let's see which device will complete this second round of RAM management test. Actually, it is just a RAM management test, so both the devices are keeping the applications running in the background. Actually, the animations are a bit quicker on the S9 Plus as compared to the Nokia 8, you can clearly see, and that's why the S9 Plus is actually moving very fast. And you can now see the Nokia 8 is actually opening the Asphalt 8 again, while S9 Plus courtesy of its 6 GB of RAM has kept this application 2 in the background, and it has completed the test in 2 minutes and 3 seconds, while due to not keeping the Asphalt 8 running in the background, Nokia 8 has taken a total time of 2 minutes and 21 seconds. So the second round is won by S9 Plus. Actually, the first round was a bit quicker on the Nokia 8, only the difference was of 1 second. And in the second round, S9 Plus bounced back, and it has completed the second round a bit faster than the Nokia 8. So in the RAM management section, S9 Plus has won the second round, while opening the applications in the first round, the Nokia 8 was the winner. So clearly there is a difference of both the rounds in both the devices, and I am already saying that S9 Plus is not that much optimized to its hardware. So in the future there will be updates, and it will be performing much better than this. So I will be comparing for that too. And that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both the devices, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.